Greetings, esteemed participants of the conference. With profound gratitude for the opportunity to contribute to the discourse, I direct your attention to the subject matter of my presentation. The topic of my research is Rapid Foresight Information Technologies in Physics Lessons. My name is Aigerim Abdulayeva. In the ever-evolving landscapes of education, the question of what defines an effective teacher becomes increasingly pertinent. Gone are the days when rote memorization and passive learning suffice. Instead, we find ourselves in minds and eras that demands innovation, adaptability, and a profound understanding of the dynamics shaping our world. The effectiveness of the education system directly depends on the quality of pedagogical activity. These words encapsulate a fundamental truth: the caliber of teaching directly impacts the trajectory of our educational endeavors. Yet, in this age of rapid technological advancement and cultural transformation, what constitutes quality pedagogical activity is subject to continual reevaluation. That we are compelled to ponder: what should a teacher of the new era be like? What qualities and attributes are essential for navigating the complexities of contemporary education? It is within this context that the concept of innovative culture emerges as a guiding beacon. Analysis and generalization of the results of methodological, pedagogical, and methodical research on the problem of training future teachers to use ICT in teaching allows us to conclude that the teacher's activity not only doesn't become less important and meaningful, but moves in the new environment to a new high level of significance. I have tried to answer the following question: in what directions is it necessary to improve the system of training future physics teachers to design and organize students' learning activities in the information educational environment? Considering educational activity as a social process, whereas the qualitative results is significant for all stakeholders of education, in this study we used the methodology of rapid foresight. Rapid foresight is a strategic planning technique that involves rapidly anticipating future trends and changes. In the context of teacher education, involving students in this process can provide valuable information and perspectives. The study involved a total of 12 students who participated in a collaborative and iterative process of identifying key areas for improving teacher preparation. The purpose was to use the ideas and perspectives of these students to identify areas for improving teacher education. Foresight research technology has become an essential element in the field of forecasting the future. The main idea of this technology is the joint creation by all participants of a foresight session of a so-called time map, which is formed on the basis of their work with images and schemes. Future map a visual representation of the overall future, including key trends, events, technologies, strategic crossroads, and decisions points in the educational sphere, becomes the final product of the foresight session. That, unlike other methods of forecasting and planning, the results of the foresight session is a map of the future created on the basis of the opinions of its participants. Structurally, the map of the future is a table placed on a large sheet of paper for better visualization. It contains three columns corresponding to three event horizons: near, medium, and long range. Each time horizon spans 5–10 years. With the participation of the moderator, participants place cards on the map of the future, such as trends, technologies, opportunities, threats, etc. Gradually, an image of the future is formed, which is projected within the framework of the foresight session. This rapid foresight study included the 6 steps in the course of the group work. The task of first is to clarify the subject of the work, the focus of attention, the boundaries of consideration of the subject. The topic of discussion of the Foresight session was information technologies in physics lesson. The task of second act is to create a description of the environment, direction, and dynamic of its change as well as the factors affecting it. The essence of work during the tact is to place on the map of the future trends, the main trends increasing or decreasing the influence on the subject area. Participants identified the following trends as presented on the slide. The task of third task is to define the list of participants operating in the space of the Foresight object and topic. Subject identified by the participants, students, teachers, parents, school management. The task of next act is to identify and understand realistic and plausible situations that either open windows of opportunity for them or destroy the possibility of existence and action in the given Foresight space. Participants named threats and opportunities for the selected subject, some of which are shown on the slide. Threats are shown in red, opportunities in orange. For example, gaming and social media can cause addiction, which is bad for learning and health. Teachers can use the internet to access a variety of educational materials, including articles, videos, textbooks, and online courses. The task of fifth tact is a detailed saturation of the described environment with elements of activity and understanding of how exactly this activity is released. ICT enhanced learning formats can be adapted to meet specific educational goals and needs, and their choice depends on the context and learning objectives. For example, online courses allow students to learn subject and topics through interactive materials, video lecture, exercise, and tests available online. Information and educational resources that were highlighted by the participants of the Foresight session, electronic simulations and virtual laboratories, video lectures or video lesson presentation with interactive elements, educational websites and resources, educational groups or forums on popular social media sites, mobile apps designed for learning physics, data analytics and artificial intelligence system, gamification, electronic portfolios. Participants note the need to develop a cybersecurity strategy, ensure equal access to technology, caution against misuse of technology and teach students digital literacy. In conclusion, the participants of the Foresight session formed an image of the future that meets the expectation of the group. The use of information and communication technologies in the classroom will continue to develop and evolve in the future. The pedagogical study employing the Foresight method yielded insightful results by gathering diverse opinions on new trends in education and technology. The study involved participants from various educational backgrounds, and the Foresight method facilitated a forward-looking exploration of emerging trends. Here are the key findings. In conclusion, the pedagogical study using the Foresight method successfully captured a spectrum of opinions on new trends in education and technology. Further research will focus on the following aspects: how future teachers' participation in the Foresight study analyzing trends in physics teaching affects their academic achievement and future professional activities in education. What are the influence of discussing these issues on students participating in focus group? Further research in these areas will further our understanding of the impact of educational research in shaping future teaching practices and educational strategies. Thank you for your attention.